Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Pointy Plug Set by the EasyToys Anal Collection. So let's get started. So this is the Pointy Plug Set itself. Now this is shown here in the colour black, but it's also available in the colour pink as well. And as you can see, there are three different sizes to choose from. The large, a medium butt plug, and last but not least, the smallest. Now these are firm yet flexible butt plugs with a handy pull ring, meaning insertion and removal is very simple and easy. It has a pointy tip as well, which helps with this. These plugs are ideal for lovers of anal sex toys. It's very smooth and soft, which makes them really comfortable to wear. They have a very elegant design with a slender body and a pointy tip for easy insertion. And you can experiment with the three sizes, so you can start off with the smallest and work your way up to the largest. Now, when using these butt plug rings, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the toys after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Pointy Plug Set by the EasyToys Anal Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.